Hola my amigos, welcome back to Marble Fun World, where we talk about all the crypto marbles such as X100 gems, airdrop, how to do this and how to do that, how to run NFT in the crypto space, and if I know to both videos and virtual game. Comment, like, share and subscribe. Hola amigos, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you a tutorial how you can swap on Polygon ecosystem. But before that, let's go to Deskscreener. If you want to track the market, just go to Deskscreener. As you can see, you search for Deskscreener. Go Deskscreener. This is Deskscreener. I already added to my homepage. So this is Deskscreener. This is for market. It's used for tracking market. As you can see, there are many ecosystems there. New pairs, the trend, the multi chart, the alert, the gainer, the top gainers, the top losers, the watch list, the coins that you want to, the ecosystem that are there. Okay guys, I'll be swapping from Polygon to one of the token. I want to show you guys how you can swap on Polygon ecosystem. As you can see, Polygon, the decentralized, you can swap. We have quick swap, Uniswap, Sushi swap, Ape swap, DFYN, Jet swap. Then we'll be using quick swap. But before that, like I already said in one of my previous videos, that if you want to search for token, just go to CoinMarketCap. There's a full tutorial video on how to search for token in CoinMarketCap. So I'll be picking a token under Polygon ecosystem. So I'll search for my CoinMarketCap. Search for my CoinMarketCap. I'll go to the my quick swap. I want to check how it looks like. As you can see, you can also bridge, but that's not what we are doing for now. Let's focus on the main video. So this is quick swap. If you want to swap anything under Polygon ecosystem, just come to quick swap. But before that, let's go to our CoinMarketCap to pick a token under Polygon blockchain, so that we can use it to swap, like from Polygon to the token that I'll be looking for, to the random token that I'll be looking for. You can filter, but if filter is not working, just go to your search icon and type Polygon ecosystem. And also there will be a video on how to use CoinGecko, but there's already a video on my YouTube channel on how you can use CoinMarketCap. So guys, just search for Polygon ecosystem. If filter is not working, you can go to the search icon and go, and as you can see, this is Polygon Matic. So as you can see, these are the coin under it. I'll be picking Woo network. I'll be swapping from Polygon to Woo. So if you want to search for token under Polygon ecosystem, just come to CoinMarketCap and search for Polygon there to bring it. As you can see, Woo network has many addresses. It has, just look at more. As you can see, this is the Ethereum address. You can't find the Polygon address there. Just click on this more. That means it is under many blockchain. So you click on more. As you can see, it is under Binance Margin, Solana, Echo, Phantom, Avalanche, and Polygon. And what we want is Polygon. So I already copied the contract address. Then I'll select the token and I will paste the address. But before that, you have to connect your quick swap to your wallet. You have to connect it. As you can see, mine is connected. What I have to do is just to switch it to my Polygon network. So I will go and switch. Then I will switch network to Polygon. That means it has been switched, as you can see. So guys, I have 7.665 Matic. So guys, I'll click on select the token. Then I'll paste the contract address of the Woo I copy. Don't mistakenly paste the contract address of Woo under BSC. Woo under Polygon if you want to swap using Polygon. And I will add the token to my Metamask for information. As you can see, I'll be swapping, let's say 3 Matic. So 3 Matic equals to 9.6689. As you can see, the price has changed. So, and if you want to use stablecoin like USDT, if you are swapping from Polygon to the stablecoin USDT, so 3 Matic worth 5.2019 for USDT. So you just click on swap. That is if you are swapping from Polygon to a stablecoin. But I'll be using Woo for you guys to see. So I will paste the address. Then I will click on swap. I'll set my slippage, the gas fee, everything. Then I will click on confirm swap. This is a tutorial video for you guys to see. I am actually not swapping. This is just a tutorial video for you guys to see. So if you want to swap from Polygon to Polygon ecosystem, if you are swapping under Polygon ecosystem, just do this same procedure and just go search for a token under Polygon ecosystem. Don't forget the Deskscreener link will be in the description. Adios, mi amigos. Don't forget to click the subscribe button to Marble Fun World. See ya.